You want the spirit of Laylatul Qadr to be in your room, in your house every night? Pray Salatul Layl. See the noor and the light that it will give you in your home. The hadith says when the believer on earth, he prays Salatul Layl, you know how on a dark night, if you've been outside the city, on a dark night you see the stars shining? It's beautiful, isn't it? You see all those stars. The hadith says the angels from the throne of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they're looking at planet Earth. When the night sets in and the mu'min stands up to pray Salatul Layl, a light emerges from your house to the angels. They will see your house like a shining star. And they will say, Fulan, Ibn Fulan, he's praying. All the malaika, they do istighfar for you. Yes. The malaika of the arsh, they do istighfar. Allah mentions this in the Quran. This is not something I'm making up. Surah Ghafir, verse 7. الَّذِينَ يَحْمِلُونَ الْعَرْشَ وَمَنْ حَوْلَهُ. Those who carry the throne, they are surrounding the throne, which are the angels. يُسَبِّحُونَ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّهِمْ. That's the first thing they do. They glorify God. They worship God. What is the next thing they do? وَيَسْتَغْفِرُونَ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. Can you imagine the rahmah of God? His most chosen angels, His pure angels, around His throne, Allah tells them, after you worship me and do the tasbih, I want you to do dua to the believers. Brothers and sisters, when you feel lonely in this life, because sometimes we feel lonely, right? Especially in our society. You feel like you're on your own. You're in your room, you feel lonely. The world is busy. You're in a different world. You feel lonely. Remember that the angels of the arsh are with you. They're doing istighfar for you. This is the Quran. الَّذِينَ يَحْمِلُونَ الْعَرْشَ وَمَنْ حَوْلَهُ يُسَبِّحُونَ بِحَمْدِ رَبِّهِمْ وَيَسْتَغْفِرُونَ لِلَّذِينَ آمَنُوا. Isn't this beautiful? Keep this, to keep the spirit of Laylatul Qadr. Remember, on Laylatul Qadr, the angels, they come down on earth. They say salam to us. They have rahmah on us. But throughout the year, the angels from the arsh, they're doing istighfar for the believers, for those who pray Salatul Layl.